Michelangelo non-stick frying pans are a great addition to any kitchen. This set includes 3 different sizes: 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch. These pans are like trusty sidekicks for cooking. They help you make delicious meals without food sticking. The non-toxic stone coating is a big plus. It means you can cook with peace of mind. Plus, cleaning up is a breeze. And that saves you time and effort. Michelangelo non-stick frying pans also come with anti-scald handles. These handles stay cool to the touch. This is a fantastic feature because it helps prevent accidental burns. The pans are also induction compatible. This means they work on different types of stovetops. So, whether you have an electric, gas, or induction stove, these pans have got you covered. They are versatile kitchen tools for many people. The size of each piece is perfect for various cooking tasks. Michelangelo non-stick frying pans offer good value for their price. They are durable and designed to last while they might not be magical. They certainly make cooking easier. You can fry eggs, sauté vegetables, and sear meat with less oil. This can even impact the taste of your food in a good way. If you're looking for a reliable non-stick frying pan set, this one is worth considering. It's a practical choice for everyday cooking needs. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: 3 sizes included, anti-scald handle, induction compatible, non-toxic material, durable. Build, even heat, less oil needed, versatile use. Cons: food might stick sometimes, not very robust pans, coating might chip, not truly non-stick. Poor overall quality, handle may feel loose, fake product risk, not made in Germany. Features: non-stick frying pans 8-inch size, 9.5-inch size, 11-inch size, non-stick coating, stone coating, non-toxic, anti-scald handle, induction compatible. This Michelangelo frying pan set includes 3 different sizes: 8-inch, 9.5-inch, and 11-inch. These pans have a non-stick stone coating so food won't stick easily while you cook. The coating is also non-toxic, meaning it's made without harmful chemicals. The handles are designed to prevent burns, called anti-scald handles, making them safer to hold. These frying pans can be used on induction cooktops, which use magnets to heat the pan directly. This set is a good choice for anyone needing different-sized non-stick pans that are safe and easy to use on various stoves. This Michelangelo frying pan set comes with 3 different sizes: 8, 9.5, and 11 inches. They say these pans have a non-stick coating made from stone and are non-toxic. The handles are made to stay cool, and you can use them on induction stoves. You should need less oil when cooking, and they can be used for different kinds of food. However, some people have said that food can sometimes stick. The pans might not be super strong. The coating could chip off, and they might not be truly non-stick. Overall, some buyers felt the quality was not great. The handle might feel loose, and there's a chance you could get a fake product. Also, these pans are not made in Germany.